freaking do it to it. Glad to hear that you're rocking and rolling. Yeah. You know, it's more than just the crack, right? Raise this leg up to feel good. Good. And this one? Awesome. I want you to cross this right foot over the left. Get these hips moving. Okay, uncross. Because you know, most of those things that are doing better, those nerves come out here, you remember? So that's pretty awesome. Good, let's go ahead and flip on your back. Make sure you get your head on straight. So you can help those that you come in contact with today. Awesome. Miss Carol, great job today.